Hello everyone. The today video is about how we can display a single data in a separate page. Like we created this page in our previous video. So this is the post 1, 2, 3 and 4. I want to display this post 1 on new page when I click on this view. So how can I do this? So let me create a first view page where we redirect our user when he click on this view. So let's go here and create a show blade in our post, because we are creating this for post. That's why I am creating inside this post directory, and I already told you why I am doing some mistakes. So you need to make your post singular, so it's readable, and it's a Laravel convention. By default Laravel also create views directory singular, right? So that's why I'm creating this singular show.blade.php. I created this show blade, so let me show blade, yes. And now let me create a new route here when I click on this route. So I will go to this show blade. So route will be a get route, and this should be a post slash show slash id, because when we open any single post, so we need an id, and then we will get the information from this id. So post slash show and then post id, okay. And then the next parameter would be a controller. Oops, it should be a post controller and having class, and then I want to create this method show in the controller, right? And name would be post dot show, okay. It should be singular, and in the controller I'm going to create this method. So let's go here in the yes, show method is there, so we don't need to create this because we created this from resource controller. So this is accepting an id. So we can also inject this by using route model binding like post, and we can get this post like this. So we don't need to perform other operation like fetch the id. But first I will implement this from this id, and then I will implement from this from route model binding after completing this controller series. So return something running show, right? So it will execute display this string on the web page. So let's go to the index page, and where is the view method? Here is a view method. So when I click on this view, so it will be go to this route, right? And I name this post dot show. So there is, I told you that there is two methods. The first one is url and the other one is route. So these two routes require this id. So let's go here and type mustache sign, and here you need to define your route or url, right? And I am typing this route. So my route name is post.show, and how can I pass the second parameter of id? So let's put comma here, and then you need to type id. So what is the id? So this id is returning from this post object, right? And this post contain an id column, right? So save this one and give it refresh and check that we are correct. So it says post dot index not found. So it means that go to the web.php file, and so it says, let me go to the web browser. It says post dot index not found. Oh, it's throwing because we change our this directory from post to singular, right? So let me go there and change go to this controller, and this is returning this post dot index. So let's remove this s and check that yes, this is also going to create. So remove this, and yes, no, we need to change. No, we don't need to change this. So give it refresh, and yes, it's working. Let's go to the create, and it's also working. Let's go back, And now the time is to click on this, and you can look at the left bottom. So it's displaying that post slash show slash id. So when I click on this, so it's going to this running show. It means that it's executing this show method, right? How it's executing it, it's accepting one parameter. So let me explain the route again. So we created a get route where we first type post, because we are displaying displaying singular post, and then I type show because we are showing only one post, and then I type an id of the post. So this is going to this controller, and controller having this show method, and this id will be injected in this method, right, route method here, right? So you can define any like something, so it will also work. I already told you in the previous videos, right, in the closure videos where I explained that how it's working. So yes, it's also working. So you can define anything which you want. So it's a dynamic variable just. So this is running show method. So let me go there, go to the show method, and build a simple show page and come back. I created a simple page. So let's go here. We are running this returning show. So remove this one and return a view here, right? So which I created right now. So view, I created view inside the post dot show, and in the show what we are doing, I injected this master blade here, and I'm displaying through table. The first one is id, then title, then description, and stuff like that. Save this one, go here and first save this and give it refresh, so it will display the show page. So it's a simple show page. The first there is a heading, post heading, and then id of post, title, description, status, and stuff like that. So let's go here and click on again, so it will move on this show page, right? So we are injecting this id here. So how we can search a specific post? So first find this post, okay? So there is a post and find. So there is a method where we can find from this id, right? So this is we are receiving this id. So let me return this. We are having this id. Save this one and give it refresh, so it will return 1. Yes, now we are receiving 1, right? So remove this and find the id first, and let me save them into the variable post, and I saved this inside the post. And if the post exists, you can also like custom error of Laravel, find or fail. If it throw if it did not find, it will throw automatic 404, right? So copy this, and I want to display this post to post show, so that's why I'm passing this with the compact. So you can also pass with array like this, post, and then the post name would be it's a variable post, right? So let's go to the show page, and yes, it's displaying. So now I need to get the show object here and then display it on the web page. So let me clear this out and go to this show blade, right? Let me close the other one, it's confusing for once. So this is a table where we are displaying some posts. So let me cut this out, table, and put here if condition, right? We are in the blade, so that's why we prefer this blade directive, okay? And here we are receiving this post variable which we pass from this array, right? And then if this post did not find, then we can put else condition, no post found, right? And I am pasting this table here, because if the post found, it will display this table. So give it refresh and check that, and yes, its post is found. That's why it says that table is here, right? So let me put a negation here, so it will behave like opposite. So it says no post found. So let me make this bigger and text danger. fetch 3, and it should be a class of text danger. This is a bootstrap class. So this is the, yes, now it says post found. Not no post found, that's good. So let me remove this negation sign. It will display the post. Yes, now it's displaying the post. Let me make the post dynamic, right? So here we need to put the id of the post. So what is the id of the post? We need to type mustache sign, and then this is a post variable, so I need to get it from this post id. So my text editor is suggesting me, so let's go here and remove this hard-coded title and make this title, and this should be a description, so it's blah blah blah, and let me remove this from this, and this is a status, right? So let me put here a status, right? And then this is a publish, so remove this, and it should be is publish. Save this one and give it refresh, and yes, now we are retrieving dynamic information of post. So let's go back and find show this information. So let's click on this, and yes, now we are displaying dynamic information of post too. So we have multiple posts, we can display all of the post information dynamically. Great, it's great. We created the show page, and it's working as expected. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we will edit our post. So stay connected. Bye bye.